Dear all, welcome to our first video tutorial dedicated to Blogger 2021, one of the best online platforms to realize your custom blog. In just 12 minutes, we will see everything you need to know to create and edit your blog on Blogger. Blogger is the best option in case you want to build posts and pages without learning coding, and it is also much easier than WordPress. To start with Blogger, just visit its main page and click on Create Your Blog. Perform the login with your Google account and define the main name or title for your blog. Choose a custom URL that will take .blogspot as main domain by default. We will see how to insert a custom domain at the end of this video. Then, define a display name, your profile name, and you are done. At this point, you enter into your main blog panel called Dashboard. A GDPR notice informs you that cookies are added on your blog automatically in order to be compliant with the privacy regulations. To get a live preview, click on View Blog in the bottom left corner. By default, this has a very simple design with the main title on top, the post list at the bottom, and your profile information on the left. Let's see how to realize posts. You can start writing one by going to New Post. On top, define the post name or title, and then type the body content at the bottom. You can also copy-paste any piece of text. On top, you get several buttons to build your post, such as the undo and redo buttons. Font type to change the font family, and font size to adjust its size. Make sure to select any text first. You can also apply different formats, including paragraph or HTML tag, and the several headings, H1, H2 tags, and so on. Next to it, you can change the text style, its fill color, or its background color. With the link button, you can also include hyperlinks, specifying the piece of text to insert, the destination address, and the option to open the link on a new browser window. Click on Insert Image to browse for any image from your computer or any URL. Adjusting alignment, size, captions, and alt attributes. Whereas, with Insert Video, you can include any video from your computer or directly from YouTube, resizing it if you need. Moreover, you can include emojis, adjust any paragraph alignment, or add bulleted or numbered lists. You can also drop quotes, horizontal separators, and use input tools to define the correct language of your post. If you're ready, click on Publish on the right to apply all and make your post live. The editor just seen is the most simple and intuitive one called Compose View. You can also switch to HTML View to check or even write the direct HTML code used to realize your post. This also gets updated when working with the Compose View. On the right side, you have the Post settings. Here you can add labels or tags to find your post on your blog or on the Internet. Change the post publication date, or get the post permalink used to share the post anywhere. On location, insert any interested place, and open options to manage the comments permissions on such post. Use Update to apply and save all. As you save and publish posts, these will all appear under the Posts section and get listed on your home page according to the layout of your blog. This shows a bigger featured post, the latest article, and all the other posts at the bottom, composing the page body. This is the default layout, but you can fully change and customize it by opening the Layout section. Each layout is made by several elements, each containing one or more gadgets. For example, you can take the sidebar on the left and hide your Blogger profile from it, or change the gadget orders. Make sure to save to get a quick preview of it. You can also add a new gadget to include AdSense banners, custom HTML codes, or search bars. In the same way, you can hide or show the header on top, specify any title or description, or add any image as background. You can also change the featured post appearance by showing or hiding title, abstract, or thumbnail from it. On page body, set the number of posts and comments to show. At the bottom, you can adjust the blog footer to add attributions and copyright notices. Moreover, you can open the Pages section to realize other blog pages besides the default home. You can go to New Page and then to the Compose or the HTML view as seen for the posts. Then use Publish to save and apply all. This page is added and shown on your dashboard, but it does not appear on your blog automatically like the posts. It remains unreachable unless you share its permalink on your blog or on the Internet. One of the best ways to do so is to add this link on a dedicated menu. To add a menu, go to Layout and then to Page List, adding all interested pages and adjusting their order. Now let's see how to customize the blog appearance. This is defined by a ready template called Theme. Up to now, we have shown this one on top, but there are loads of others available on Blogger that you can select, check, and apply live. These themes can change not just the basic appearance and color, but also the overall layout of your blog. On top, you can go to Customize to edit your current theme in detail. From the left, click under Background Image to browse for any image to use as main background. You can also change the main color theme on some pieces of text, menus, and buttons according to the options provided by the theme. If you need to customize more, you have to include HTML codes, as we will see shortly. Under Advanced, you find other options to edit the elements you have, such as background color, font style, and color, and also the colors on links, visited links, and hover links. All these options change according to the element chosen. Whereas under Gadgets, you can edit all the gadgets present. To save and publish all, use the Save button in the bottom right corner. Next to the Customize button, you can make a backup of the current theme or restore it to restart from its original version. You can also switch to an older generation theme and edit the HTML code to apply modifications not possible with the simple theme interface just seen. In the Comment section, you can check and manage all comments left by hiding, flagging, or removing any. Whereas on Stats, you can check how your website is performing, and on Earnings, you can connect and check your AdSense account stats if you have any linked. Inside Settings, you can adjust several blog options such as title, description, or the blog language. You can also add warnings in case you treat adult content and add any Google Analytics ID to get details on your traffic and performance. Moreover, you can click on Favicon to customize the icon of the browser tab that opens your blog. Make sure to clear your cache if you do not see it applied. Below you get other options such as showing or hiding your blog from web searches, applying an HTTPS protocol that we recommend for safety, and managing permissions. Also, set the number of posts to be listed and include any CSS file to use as template. Under Formatting, adjust the time zone and the data format. And on meta tags, add all the keywords to improve your blog indexing on search engines separated by commas. Below, you can edit the display messages in case of non-existing pages, 404 error, and apply redirects. Under Monetization, include your ads.txt file if you want to link any Google AdSense account. And under Manage Blog, make a backup of your whole blog or delete it if you want. In addition, under Publishing, you have the option to use a custom domain. You can buy any from Google or use the one you already have. In this case, Blogger will give you 2 CNAME records to add on your domain panel. Once you log in on your domain, remove any A record and insert the 2 requested CNAME records with correct name and description. After this, wait at least 24 hours and add your own domain, enabling redirects to make it effective. Check our link in the video description to get help at linking your own domain. Thank you very much for watching this super fast tutorial.